Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing our September fire alarm and emergency light and generator system test. So this is interesting weather conditions today. It has nothing to do with the video, but there are some forest fires going on, creating a very orange sun and some very odd colors in the air. It doesn't really show up on video as anything different, but that school is a lot more white than it's showing up on camera today. The air quality is quite poor today. Where am I going? We're going to begin by doing a short little fire alarm system test, and then we'll flip on our emergency lights. And I'm recording this on Saturday, and I forgot to test our generator on Friday like I usually do, so I'm just going to give it a short little test. I'm just going to fire it up and let it run. I'm not going to actually put load on it since I've got an actual video coming out and putting some good load on it, which will be coming out sometime eventually. Yeah, look at that. Look at the color of that sunlight coming in. It actually doesn't even look that strange on camera, but like, it's very orange. Let's set something off in the generator room. I don't want to be opening this door more than I have to, just because of the air quality outside being so poor, and it's nice in here. Okay. Let's set off one of these. Let's do the smoke detector in here. You guys know about this shed now, so I don't have to keep it secret at all. Look at that sunlight. It's a little bit too loud. There's a sweet spot. Perfect sync. That was smoke photo generator building. And do the CO real quick too. I didn't reset the fire alarm, and since I still have selective silence on, that's still flashing. While that's initializing, we can flip on our emergency light. Okay. Good in the generator building. Good out there. Oh, I thought maybe it didn't flash. Look at that sunlight. That's like yellow. It's actually not as bad as it was last year. Or maybe that wasn't last year, but it was the year before where it was like terrible. Like even inside some of our schools, looking down the wall, it was, or looking down the hallways, you could tell still how bad it was. You can see the smoke. Okay, that's good too. Should do a 30-minute test one day. I did not that long ago off camera, and I was gonna make a video of it, but then I didn't like it. This exit sign is good. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. Oh my God. Can't get in that way. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. All of the emergency light is good. Do those hit each other? Oh, look at that. So close. All right, let's fire up the gen set. And I'm not going to do a load transfer. I'm just gonna start it up. Man, she's smoky. By the way, guys, check out my video installing this light pole. Just kidding. You don't have to. Just never got many views, and it was such a crazy such a crazy video. Doing that, it was a kind of a big job, but I think I've talked about that before in one of my monthly videos, because these videos always do so oddly well. It's like, it's the same thing. This is going on 2 years of showing this. It's like probably 24 videos of the same thing, and it's like I put out this big like hour-and-a-half long video at my school, or maybe hour and 15 minutes, hour and 20 minutes of showing exhaust fans, explaining how stuff works, doing all this, put so much effort into it, and it doesn't even get many views. Like, what the heck? You guys watch this repetitive stuff but don't want to see the good stuff that I put in. Oh, that's okay. I'm not upset. I'm not complaining about it. It just seems odd, happy that anyone watches anything. It's just fire alarms after all. We'll open up our vents. I need to get a better louver. This is silly. Oil should be good. Yeah, that's good. Fan on. Fuel on, choke on, generator on, start. Choke back off. And I'm not going to do a whole load transfer or anything. I'm just going to start up for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Just give it a little exercise. Ow! Let's do it again. That's hot air coming out there. That's exhaust. Oh yeah, off-roading, baby. And that's as far as we can go. Put it in reverse. Back into forwards. Watch us take out the whole pool. Don't hit the gate, I've done that before, that hurts. By the way guys, I have a whole video of me building this whole gate out here too. Back up the bus. Oh! Sorry, I didn't have my hands on the brakes are kind of shot. Oh shit, that's still forwards. I actually completely ran over this bike by accident once in the snow. I should put that clip in here of running over the bike in the snow with this thing. Actually, no, that was with the car when I ran it over in the snow. Our emergency light is still on up there. What's going on, Ayla? What's up, dog? Oh, shoot! Oh. The whole door just fell on me. We're gonna hit the ramp. Oh yeah, we peeled some rubber. Woo! Oh yeah, mobility scooter could burn some rubber, eh? Oh yeah, look at that. See, this thing has sport mode, that's sport mode, and now it's got compact mode. No, actually it's just that the thing's held together with zap strap. I don't know how long our generator's been on for, but once I get this away, then we'll turn it off. Okay, a generator's been running for a good while. Turn the fuel line off. I always turn the fuel line off and then let it run out of the fuel in the fuel line and the carburetor, and then I turn it off. I just want to get that fuel out that's been sitting in the fuel line. So you'll hear it start to putter a little bit. There it already kind of is. Has some warm air coming out of there. That's good. It means it's pulling out the hot air. We could check on our generator temperature. She's a little warm in there, 26, but nothing too hot. I don't think our high temp comes on until 30, 32, and the max operating temperature of the thing is like 40 Celsius, that all is, of course. Alrighty, now we'll give it a little while with the door closed to cool down. But you guys don't want to see that. On that note, I think that's going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, make sure to put those down in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching.